As a pet owner, you want what is best for your pet. Whether you have a cat, a dog, a horse or any other animal as a pet, you know that it takes care, love and a fair amount of work to keep it fit and healthy. Oftentimes we see that not all pet owners do what they should to care for their pet, and that really is a shame. Pets are living beings as well as humans, but sometimes we find people that treat them as if they were not. I don't think that most pet owners do it out of bad will, but rather out of not knowing any better. The pets that are out of shape, not getting the right amount of exercise and not eating healthy nutritional foods are often owned by people that treat their own body the same way. I can only conclude that it has to be because they just don't know any better. However, for both of them I wish that it wasn't so. Even though your pet is healthy and in excellent shape, you'll need to consider pet medical insurance coverage. Pets get sick or get into accidents just as people do, and there is no way that you can live a normal life and not experience it to some extent. That is why you should look into pet medical insurance if you haven't done so already. In overall terms, there is no difference between a pet medical insurance and an ordinary pet insurance. The word medical just refers to the fact that medical expenses are covered in the insurance policy. For most animal insurance policies, that is a standard term, and you don't need to give the term difference much attention. You will however need to give the specific term some attention if you own a pet that have a higher probability towards specific diseases or illnesses. Medical treatments are quite expensive, and if your cat's or dog's specific breed has a higher likeliness of certain illnesses, you have to read the fine print in the insurance policy to make sure that you have that specific part covered. It would be really irritating to buy for insurance every single month for years only to find that when your pet gets ill you don't have an insurance policy that covers that specific illness. Unfortunately, that is something that many pet owners realize too late, simple because they didn't take the time to understand what was written in the policy terms. My best advice is that when you search for pet medical insurance, you make sure to read and understand that you have the coverage that you expect to be paying for.